Coffee does not interfere with sleep at night, but it helps to stay more awake during the day, according to a new study. Caffeine is one of the most well-known stimulants of the nervous system. It temporarily increases alertness and helps fight fatigue. Many observational studies have linked high coffee or tea consumption with insomnia. However, such studies often cannot clearly determine cause and effect. People may inaccurately report caffeine intake. Coffee drinkers may also differ in other habits, such as smoking more, exercising less, or experiencing higher stress levels. There is also the possibility of reverse causation. It may not be coffee that causes poor sleep, but insomnia that leads people to drink more coffee during the day. To overcome these limitations, scientists from the University of Bristol used Mendelian randomization. This method allows researchers to estimate causal relationships using genetic data. They analyzed DNA from hundreds of thousands of people, primarily from the UK Biobank database. Scientists identified genetic variants linked to higher caffeine consumption and faster metabolism. Caffeine works by blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that builds up during the day and promotes sleep. In people with faster caffeine metabolism, the substance leaves the body more quickly. As a result, they often consume more caffeine to maintain alertness. The study found that a genetic tendency toward higher caffeine intake is associated with lower daytime sleepiness. However, it was not linked to reduced total sleep duration or increased risk of clinical insomnia. In other words, caffeine itself is unlikely to be the direct cause of long-term sleep problems. A similar pattern was observed in people who metabolize caffeine faster. They experienced less morning fatigue and were less likely to fall asleep during the day. Researchers suggest that caffeine boosts daytime alertness, but its effects fade by evening, allowing natural sleep to occur. To confirm the results, scientists also studied people who do not consume coffee or tea. These individuals had similar genetic variants that did not affect sleep, even though some still experienced insomnia. This further supports the conclusion that sleep problems are often caused by other factors, not caffeine itself. The researchers note some limitations. The study mainly included people of European descent and relied partly on self-reported sleep data. However, the findings challenge the common belief that coffee disrupts sleep. It may be that lifestyle factors, not caffeine, are the real cause. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more science and health insights.